In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a space on Perplexity AI for SEO optimization, which is a must-have tool for organizing your digital workflow. To start, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, go ahead and type Perplexity AI and hit enter. The search results should display the official website at the top, so click on the Perplexity AI website link. Once you're on the home page of Perplexity AI, locate the Spaces option. You might find it easily on the main navigation bar, so click on it to proceed. This will take you to the Spaces section, where you have the option to create your own space by clicking Create New Space. Now, it's time to give your new space a name. For example, let's call it Pet Care Keyword Vault. This title is descriptive and indicates that the space is a repository for significant keyword data related to pet care. Next, you'll want to provide a detailed description of your space. A well-thought-out description might read, a curated library of the most valuable SEO keywords in the pet care niche. This space helps you organize, expand, and optimize keyword ideas for blogs, social posts, videos, and client projects focused on pet health, training, grooming, nutrition, and more. With the basics set, click on Add Instructions to set specific guidelines for using the space. In this section, you can outline several strategies such as using AI to generate keyword lists for each category, adding long-tail keywords for better SEO ranking, and including search intent labels. Make sure to mention that it's beneficial to update the space whenever new keywords or topics are discovered. These instructions ensure that the space remains a dynamic resource for content creation, research, and SEO task planning. Once your instructions are in place, move on to save your space by clicking the Save button, ensuring that all your hard work so far is securely stored. Now let's test the functionality of our new space by making a prompt. Type a command like, generate a list of long-tail SEO keywords for dog grooming at home with search intent labels and difficulty levels. After crafting your prompt, hit Submit and give it a moment. The system will work on generating those keywords for you. While you wait, consider trying another prompt to test the efficiency and utility of your space. For instance, ask for 50 low-competition keywords for cat nutrition and diet that can be used for blog posts and social media content. This helps validate that your space can dynamically provide useful and relevant keyword suggestions. Once typed, click Submit and let Perplexity do the rest. That wraps up our video for today. By following these steps, you've successfully created a space on Perplexity AI that serves as a robust tool for SEO optimization, especially tailored for pet care topics. Whether you're a content creator or a marketer, such a space could be a powerful ally in your SEO strategy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more instructional videos.